Hello there and welcome to my channel. So I'm here with another Windows tutorial video. In this video I'm going to show you guys two things: how to create a folder on your PC, which is very much simple, and also how to create a shortcut for your folders on your PC. So you can see this is a shortcut to my music folder. Normally you can't find it here, something like this, but I'm going to show you guys how to create it, and also how to create a normal folder on here. So it's two things, just like I said earlier. So now let's get going with the tutorial. So to create a folder, let's deal with it first. What you need to do is you right click here and you tap on the new, and then you tap on the folder, and then you rename the folder. Let me do it Kofi. Good. And now I can save things into this folder. You can see this is a folder now and it's very much empty. So now let's get going with the shortcut. So if you want to create a shortcut, the procedure is quite similar. You just right click again, you tap on the new, and then you move to shortcut. So here you want to create a shortcut for, let's say, videos. You want a shortcut of your videos folder should be on your desktop. What you need to do is rename it, give it a name. Let me do it videos, something like this. So I give it a name. Now I browse. So now you move to your PC here, and then this is the videos. Good. So that's okay. If you want to choose a folder from your videos, let me tap on that. You can see when you choose the video, when you tap on it like this, you can see the folders inside are here. So let's say you want your screen recordings and the rest. Let me just choose the videos. Let me just choose the video, something like that. And now I tap on next here, and you can see the shortcut for videos. And now I finish it, and you can see this is videos. So now let me open it, and it takes me to this place, and you can see I can get access to my recordings. So here you don't need to move to your file explorer before you come here. You just double tap and then you're in your videos folder. Unlike you'd come here and then you go there and you move to your videos and the rest. So that's it on how you can create a folder and also a shortcut for a folder on your PC. If you are new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. Peace.